This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add your own custom background theme in Gmail. There's a few simple steps that you have to take in order to do this. One thing you have to do is you have to go to photos.google.com and upload your background photo, the one that you want to use, to your Google Photos. It'll only pull your photo from Google Photos. As you can see right here, I'm in my Google Photos right here, and I have an image here that I don't want to use that as my background image. The image that I want to use, I have in a folder right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that image over into my Google Photos, and then I'm going to click on, you can see down here at the bottom it says one item is uploaded. That's the photo. I'm going to click on Add to Album, and I'm going to click on New Album. I'm going to add a title here. I'm just going to call it the folder Gmail. I'm going to hit enter. Now I have created this folder here. Now I'm going to go over to my Gmail. Make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. And I'm going to click on the little gear wheel up here. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go down to where you see it says theme. And I'm going to select view all. Now you could pick a wide variety of, they give you some default themes here. But if you want to add your own image, you want to go down and click on My Photos. Select that. And right here it says Gmail. That's the folder that I just created with my image in it. I'm going to select that. I'm going to select my image. And then down here at the bottom left hand corner, I'm going to click on Select. Now I'm going to click on Save. And as you can see here now, I have my own background image here. That's how you upload your own background theme to Gmail. Thanks for watching.